I'm Artist Mark, and subscribe and drop a like for more painting videos. Also, read at the end of this video. In this video, this video is going to be a little bit different because it's a teaching video. And if you're a beginner, then I'm going to teach you how to do some water, how to put the highlight onto the bushes, and show you how to do a tree. And let me adjust my camera. Okay. I think I'm set. Okay. I'm using a fan brush. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. I'm using a small fan brush and just painting the water on. Now, water is flat. Okay, water is flat. Water is like snow. Snow is flat. So water is flat. And what I'm doing is painting it with horizontal strokes. This is horizontal. When you're going back and forth, vertical is straight up and down. So this is horizontal, like that. Yep, we got a waterfall. Yeah. Pretty painting, isn't it? Yeah. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, this color right there is called gold, and here's how you do here's how you put highlight onto a bush. Okay, I tap it, but you see that dark right there? Don't destroy all of that dark. Leave some of that open, because that's where you see it in nature. I'm terribly sorry about that. Okay. Now, the next color is this lemon yellow. And just tapping it once again like this. This is a beautiful color. It's called lemon yellow. Let you guys know about something. I've been painting for over 30 plus years. I've been doing this kind of stuff, and I really like it a lot. Okay. Now that tree, we'll put some highlight onto the tree. Once again, you just want to tap it with your brush like that, and leave some of that open, like I said. Okay, just leave some of that. Oh yeah. Look how pretty that is already. Okay. I think I can make a small tree for you guys. Okay. We'll do a small evergreen tree. We'll mix it just a little bit of ivy black, sap green mixed together. And I'll put one right there. Small evergreen tree. Let's see, I'll put it right in here. What you do is you make a line. Okay, you make a line like that. I'm going to go back and reload my brush. And then what you do, after you do that, then you can make like little Z's. When you hold your brush, hold it like this. Okay? Maybe you can get a better control. Okay, and make like little Z's. Alright, and when your brush starts running out of the paint, I might have got too much linseed oil on that brush. When your brush starts running out of the paint, just turn your brush over and use the other side like that, or you can go back and reload your brush. Sometimes that helps too. Go back and reload your brush. I might have got too much linseed oil in it, but that's okay. I just want to show you guys. Okay. And put some shapes into your trees. Okay. That's one way how to do it. Okay. Okay. Now up here, I'm going to show you guys how to do clouds. Okay. I'm going to use some titanium white. Just a little titanium white onto my brush. See how that brush is loaded? Okay. I'm gonna start right there, and I'm gonna make some clouds. I like those fluffy clouds. When you do a cloud, keep your brush spinning. There you go. Keep that brush spinning like that. Like this. See? Keep that brush spinning. There you go. Look at that. Yep. I already have a mountain in this painting. There we go. I'm going to put a little cloud up in there too. Yeah. But you just keep that brush spinning, and then that way you don't have a cloud just staying in one spot. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Now I'm gonna get me some brown paint. If I can get it out of paint, sometimes gets a little bit thick. I use different oil paints, and sometimes they get thicker than others. I'm gonna use this liner brush. Tree trunk, a tree, make some limbs on it. You can. Might need to wet your brush when you do this. Okay, same thing with that. So you're gonna make a tree trunk like this, and to make them sound effects. Yep. There you go. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna do this one like that too. This color on there is called copper. It's a beautiful color. Like that. I'll just brush this on with my liner brush. Like this. Let me know how this helps you. Let me know how my teaching helps you. lemon yellow. Through with this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.